I'm 32, Mr. Dunn, and I'm here celebrating the fact that I had spent another year scraping dishes and waitressing since I was 13. And according to you, I will be 37 before I even throw the first decent punch. And I have to admit, working on this speed bag for about another month may be the God's simple truth. The other truth is that my brother is in prison. My sister cheats on welfare by pretending one of her babies is still alive. My daddy is dead. My mama weighs 312 pounds. If I was thinking straight, I will go back home, get a used trailer, buy a deep fryer, and some Oreos. But the problem is, this is the only thing that I ever felt good doing. If I'm too old for this, then I have nothing. Is this enough truth to suit you?